What is Forex? Forex is the global financial market where currencies are traded. If you think one currency will be stronger than another, you can make a profit. In the past, when people traveled internationally, they had to exchange their money at currency exchange booths. These booths displayed different exchange rates for different currencies. $1 might be worth 100 yen. When you exchange one currency for another, you're participating in the FX market. The foreign exchange market, also known as Forex or FX, is the largest financial market in the world. Exchange rates change constantly, allowing traders to make money. Most currency transactions in the Forex market are bought and sold for speculative reasons. The Forex market has a daily trade volume of $6.6 trillion, making it much larger than the stock market. The market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and trading shifts between financial centers around the world. The day starts when traders wake up in Auckland, Wellington, then moves to Sydney, Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Frankfurt, London, and finally New York, before trading starts all over again in New Zealand.